Okay, so I just wanted to stop for a moment and thank Tangela Moore of Brighter Solutions 20 Credit Restorations. We had a great conversation, a great discussion about your story to success. How did you think the story went?
Absolutely. I think it went amazing. Again, I definitely appreciate the time you took today to sit down and talk with me, learn a little bit more about me and my company, and our goals. So like I said, help as many families as we can. We are trying to spread the word and the knowledge.
And one thing I want to just say as we wrap this up, I mean, I'm looking forward to when the podcast airs. We'll give you a date, not you, but people listening, the date of this particular release. But I love your mission, right? It's not, everybody starts business, in my opinion. I don't care what nobody say, even the nonprofits, to make some money. And that's awesome. But to help people while you're doing it, now everybody wins. And so your mission is beautiful. It's not just fixing people's credit so they can go out and ruin it again. It's to help them become first-time home buyers.
Right.
When you own a home, that's the first step to your path to financial success, right? And
Absolutely.
so it's nice. It's so nice that you have a business with a mission. And I think that when people hear about this Brighter Solutions, they're going to be excited to get their credit fixed by none other than Miss Tangela Moore.
Yes, we invite them and we welcome them to be our bright future success stories. And we're going to start doing that soon. But absolutely, we just want to help as many people as we can, again, because we understand the struggle. We've been there, done that. So if we can do it for ourselves, we welcome them to assist them in doing it for them as well.
Beautiful. So guys, if you're interested in looking at this podcast and you're looking at this video right now, just drop us some link in the feed, if it's Facebook or wherever we post this. Let us know so that we can let you know when it drops. All right. I'm Mark Adams, owner of MCA Certified Tax Preparers. This is Tangela Moore, owner of Brighter Solutions. We hope you enjoy our podcast wrap session. Take care.
All right. Thank you, everyone.